Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between cash credit and overdraft. Before understanding the differences, let us first understand the meaning of these two banking facilities. Cash credit is a short-term financing facility provided mainly to businesses for meeting their working capital requirements. Under this system, banks allow borrowers to withdraw money up to a sanctioned limit against securities such as stock, inventory, or other current assets. On the other hand, overdraft is a banking facility that allows an account holder to withdraw more money than the amount available in their bank account up to a certain approved limit. It is mainly used to meet temporary cash shortages and urgent financial needs. Now let us discuss the major differences between cash credit and overdraft. Number 1. Cash credit is a credit facility in which the bank allows the borrower to withdraw funds up to a sanctioned limit, whereas overdraft allows an account holder to withdraw more than the available balance up to a certain limit. Number 2. Cash credit is a secured loan facility, whereas overdraft is a credit facility linked mainly to a current account. Number 3. Cash credit is generally provided to businesses, traders, and manufacturers, whereas overdraft is available to individuals, professionals, and businesses having a current account. Number 4. Cash credit is mainly used for working capital requirements, whereas overdraft is used for meeting short-term and immediate cash needs. Number 5. Cash credit is sanctioned based on the borrower's working capital needs and repayment capacity, whereas overdraft is sanctioned based on account balance, income, and relationship with the bank. Number 6. In cash credit, funds can be withdrawn as and when required up to the sanctioned limit, whereas in overdraft, funds are automatically available when the account balance becomes insufficient. Number 7. In cash credit, repayment can be made anytime and the limit becomes reusable after repayment, whereas in overdraft, the withdrawn amount is adjusted directly through deposits into the account. Number 8. In cash credit, interest is charged only on the amount utilized, whereas in overdraft, interest is charged on the overdrawn amount for the period it remains overdrawn. Number 9. Cash credit usually requires security such as stock, debtors, or other current assets, whereas overdraft may be secured or unsecured depending on the bank's policy. Number 10. Cash credit is operated through a separate cash credit account, whereas overdraft is generally operated through a current account. Number 11. Cash credit involves regular submission of stock statements and business records, whereas overdraft requires comparatively less documentation. Number 12. Cash credit is generally reviewed annually and may continue for a longer period, whereas overdraft is mostly short-term in nature. Number 13. Cash credit requires extensive monitoring by the bank, whereas overdraft involves less supervision and monitoring. Number 14. Interest rates on cash credit are generally lower because it is a secured facility, whereas overdraft interest rates are usually higher, especially when unsecured. Number 15. Cash credit is best suited for businesses with regular working capital requirements, whereas overdraft is more suitable for temporary cash shortages and urgent expenses. So, these are the key differences between cash credit and overdraft. Understanding these differences will help you select the right banking facility according to your financial needs. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.